Welcome to YPS. At our showroom, our aim is to help you sell to your customers. We want to support you by increasing your bathroom sales and freeing up your time. With our knowledge in the trade, we fully understand how you work and we know how to give great service to our trade customers. Using a tour of our showroom, our detailed website and online brochures will help your customers decide on the look they want. Then with our online or face-to-face consultation, our designers will create a free plan and 3D design to show you and your customer exactly what their dream bathroom or kitchen would look like. To set up a consultation, all your customer needs to do is contact us to arrange a time for either an online or face-to-face meeting. Before the appointment, we'll speak to them and fill in a brief questionnaire. We use these answers to give us an idea about the look and style of the bathroom or kitchen that they want. We'll also contact you to discuss any of your requirements. Either you can provide us with the necessary measurements, or we can ask your customers to measure their room so that we can produce an accurate plan. If your customers are measuring up, we'll send them a short guide. We'll also get them to send us photos of the current room, as this helps with our planning and design. Whether an online consultation or a showroom visit, the customer experience is the same. A design consultation usually takes around 30 to 45 minutes. If your customer chooses an online consultation, we'll use either Zoom or a FaceTime call. We might ask them to take their device into the bathroom or kitchen to look at a few more specific details. Our designer will help your customers choose the products that bring their dream project to life. If you want to be part of the meeting, then of course you're more than welcome to join in. Of course, all current social distancing rules must be adhered to. Our designer will have prepared a design and quotation that can then be discussed. If you're not attending, we'll contact you afterwards and give you a full briefing. We'll speak to you and your customer to arrange a delivery date. Our free local delivery service will make your life a little bit easier. We want to help your customer get their dream bathroom or kitchen. Whether this is by using our virtual service or a showroom visit, we're here to make your life easier and your customers happy. If you've got any further questions, simply get in touch and let's talk.